What's up, class of 2025? Mr. Capell here, and I'm going to take you on a guided POV graduation tour so that you'll know where you're going to be going just a little bit better on graduation day. Let's take a walk. All right, this area over here, which is behind the pavilion, is where you will be lining up and gathering on graduation day. So you're going to come over here first. You're really going to come around to this side, and you're going to find your faculty line leader. They'll have signs. You'll know at graduation practice who your line leader is, what row you're in, who you're going to be sitting beside, all of that. And then we stop about right here for graduation to begin. They turn on the music, and then we have the procession, which is where you walk in. And you have to imagine there are rows of chairs here. You're gonna find your row, and you'll walk all the way down until you find the seat with your name on it. You're gonna sit in that seat. Well, you'll actually stand in front of that seat until you're told to sit down, and then you will stay there, sit until you are told to stand again for your diplomas. When you are beckoned by your faculty row leader, you'll go this way to receive your diploma. You will continue along this sidewalk here. Take a pretty long walk to get your diploma. There will be faculty lining the sidewalk at intervals to guide you all along the way. And we'll be looping around back behind the stage, which is pretty much where we started from, but just on the other side. Then when you reach these stairs right here, faculty will be doing one last check of all of your awards, your robe, stole, cap, tassel, whatever. As you go through here, make sure your robe is zipped up. And then you will enter onto the stage. Can't go all the way over there because they're setting up for a concert, but you will go on the left side of the stage. When your name is called, you'll walk across the very front, you'll shake hands, get your diploma, and you'll go out to the far corner, and then you'll walk back this way, following the person in front of you, and then you will exit the stage this way. Come on down the ramp. Congratulations, you're now a high school graduate. And at the very bottom of the stairs, there will not be a chain blocking you. And right here is where you're going to stand and have your picture taken. Smile. Next, you're going to go over this way, and there will be a table positioned, probably right over in here, where you will receive your high school diploma. Receive your diploma, and now we're back where we started again. Just keep walking around here, following the leader, unless you're the first person in the alphabet, in which case you'll figure it out. We'll also have faculty there helping you. Then you're gonna keep on coming. Pretty long walk, huh? And now we're back to our seat. You'll sit back down in the exact same seat that you were in to begin with until the end of the ceremony. At the end of the ceremony, toss the cap in the air. Congratulations, class of 2025. And then we have recessional, which is where they play music again, and you walk out. You're gonna walk out this way. There are going to be faculty that are lining this sidewalk on either side, making a tunnel of sorts. They're gonna greet you and cheer for you, and you'll just keep walking out until you pass the end of the faculty tunnel, wherever that may be. And then at that point, you are free to go and find your families and go enjoy the rest of your day. Congratulations.